Hello guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the 7-port smart charging station with 30-watt USB-C PD port. So we're going to open this up. We're going to show you what you get a little manual in here, and then we're going to test it out. And ooh, guys, check this out. They give you all the plugs that you could need. Okay, right away, that's a plus. So it looks like you get a USB to Type-C, USB to Type-C, Type-C to Type-C, USB to micro, USB to an Apple device, USB to USB to Type-C, and another USB to Apple. That's awesome. We're going to set that aside, and that aside. So, give you the power plug as well, and let's open this up and see. You know, I can see that I'm gonna like it because look how small it is. It's small and compact. You have all your charging ports in the front here, so it's 0 to 2.4 amps all the way through. The fast PD charge is 30 watts. Very sleek design. On-off button on the side here. So that's actually really nice. Some of them don't. They give you these dividers, and I'll show you how that works in a moment. So let's go ahead and show you guys how the dividers work. So let's see. Looks like they got it protected here, so we just got to peel this apart. Alright, so these dividers work like this. You pop them down in place here. There we go. So you just gotta line it up. You pop it in place, and once it's in like that, you can then decide how far or how wide you want to go for your item. So let's say we want to set our power bank in here. Well, one of these is not going to give us enough length because it's thick. We can't put another one right side by side. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this one over. So for example, if you would have it this thin, that would be thin for a cell phone. If you move it over here, you can put something thicker. So as you see, we skipped one. So now this allows us to put our device in there that's much bigger. And if we wanted to, it is pretty thin. We could actually probably slide a cell phone in there as well. So now what you would do is we're going to use our Type-C to Type-C. And actually, since we have, you want to line it up with what you're going to be charging. So we're going to take our Type-C, plug it right in there. Now we're going to take our power bank and we're going to connect it to the Type-C just like this. And now it's ready to go for full charging. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to plug this in. This is the power plug for the whole system. And that's right over here. So we're going to slide that in. We're going to take this and plug this in. Obviously, I'm just demonstrating this. I'm going to have this set up in another area. How I like. So it looks like they actually give you cable management bracket as well. And for other stuff, you can do it yourself if you want. So now that we have this turned on, we're going to turn this on and we're going to have power. And so you basically have two lights. You have a blue light by the PD, and then you also have a blue light over here to let you know that it is on. And we can see that it's on because it's charging. Our power bank is blue. So our power bank is lit up. Now let's say we want our cell phone. Our cell phone has a case, so we're going to see if one divider from each other will work. Again, it's simple. You just push this down in, and oh yeah. So this is actually a wider position over there. So we're actually going to use this one, and we're going to drop in another one here. So we're actually going to save that one for this one. I believe that's probably for this one. So we're just going to put that over there for now. Slide this down in here. And again, once you have it all set up, you know, it's much easier to do. We're gonna do the USB to Type-C for our cell phone. Drop our cell phone down in here. We're gonna plug it in. Let's see, let's plug it into this one. And there we go. Now we have a setup here. So as you guys can see now, we have two devices being charged at the same time, and you can fit more in here as well. And you know, there's other stuff you guys could do too. You can have the power bank, something that's bigger, set on the side. You can use your tablet. You can use this for whatever you want. You can check out your manual and the listing for more information, but it's gonna work good for a charging bay and charging station if you need one. We're gonna set this up probably in our gaming room eventually. So thanks for watching, guys.